Did you know the average adult spends over 7 hours a day looking down at a screen? That constant state of stress from a static position creates strain that restricts blood flow, tightens connective tissue, and can even lead to chronic headaches. Neck and shoulder pain isn't just about stress. It's often caused by poor ergonomics and static postures. Moving regularly, adjusting behavior, and investing in wellness strategies can improve pain significantly. That's why massage for neck and shoulder pain should be precise, structured, and results-driven. At Body Mechanics Orthopedic Massage on 54th in Manhattan, New York City, we specialize in massage for neck and shoulder pain using clinical, orthopedic-based techniques designed to help you manage your pain and stress, not just temporary relaxation. If you're tired of constant tightness, stiffness, or tension headaches, it may be time to address the root cause. Visit our 54th Street location and experience focused, professional care designed to help you move better, feel stronger, and live pain-free.